Well, clowns of US, Canada, South Africa and Malaysia has joined in the mission to make Indian audience happy by organizing the International Clown Festival in India. It's a 10-day festival that is organized for the first time in India so as to make clowning a serious business and give clowning recognition. Here's more.
About business is got to be serious, but there's some business that is funny. Such business was organized to bring smile in the faces. This act of happiness was put up by the clowns of different parts of the world in India in its first International Clown Festival, featuring 12 clowns, most of whom came from USA and Canada. One of the major events of the festival was the theatre show, but there's one thing you couldn't have missed in the theatre show. That was a curtain raiser by Nelly the Belly. Nelly the Belly, who brings waves of laughter and more of laughter among the children.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The other events in the theatre show include clown gags, juggling, magic, acrobatics, unicycle and physical comedy. During the 10-day festival, they will showcase to the Indian audience global style of clowning. The Maiden Clown Festival has been organized by Martin D'Souza, a professional clown from India. This festival is expected to soon develop as an annual event.
There's been nothing like this in our country. This is the first time we're doing something like this, and we've been waiting to have clown training and clown education and clown shows in India for a very, very long time. This is a great initiative to make people aware that clowning is serious business, and there are many more like us all over the world. There's so much of opportunity for India to get into something like this.
There's one event that will surely be an experience for the clown lovers and clowns themselves who want to learn more on clowning, as a free workshop was held on November 9th and will be held on 10th at St. Andrews and St. Xavier's College. The clown will also perform at schools and hospitals as a part of an outrageous program and will hold a walkathon and street show for over 800 street children at Shivaji Park on Children's Day in partnership with NGO Childline. Jessilia Karyam Barmbal, DD News, Mumbai.